morning guys, so look where I am. I am in Dharamshala again, visiting for about 9 days. Isn't it just beautiful? Oh my gosh, it's so nice to be up here. Rishikesh at the moment is literally about 40 plus degrees on the daily and it's so hot, so I have a holiday for a month. I thought why not come to Dharamshala. My friend Ross is visiting from New Zealand as well, so we thought we'd come up here. Yeah, and I've got 9 days to enjoy the mountain air, practice yoga up here, relax, explore, do a couple of hikes, and I'm really excited. I've actually been feeling a little bit under the weather from the drastic temperature change, I think, and catching a 14-15 hour bus ride in AC was hectic. I ended up sleeping on the ground in the back of the bus, so I got like 6 hours sleep. But you know, I really like my 8 hours sleep and not feeling well at all. It's like, yay, today I'm finally feeling human, so I thought I'd make a video vlog. I've already met a few people here which already watch my vlogs, which is amazing, and I'm like, what the fuck, you guys actually watch my videos? I forget there's real people on the other side of this camera. And yeah, the place we're staying is amazing. We're staying at Alt Hostel. I've just been journaling. I'm going to go to yoga, and then I am going to actually move hostels because this one, it's really busy season at the moment. This one is full. And then I'm going to go stay at Flugla, which if you've seen my other Dharamshala videos, I stayed there last time and it's really nice. This one is super fancy. It's a co-work space also, so it's called Alt Life. If you want to stay in Upper Dharamkot or Dharamkot, it's a really beautiful place to stay. And then later I'm going to go to my favourite vegan cafe after yoga, Skype my brother, and then I want to visit the Bhagsunag Waterfall because I haven't actually visited that. And today is going to be a little fun day of adventure. Since I'm vlogging, I thought I may as well. I'm just really happy, yeah, to be feeling well. You know, when you're sick, it's like all you can think about is the times you weren't sick and how much you took for granted that you can breathe out of both nostrils. It's so nice to be staying up here. It's literally like a 5-minute walk into the Dharamkot little village where the shops are, where I'm going for yoga. And I just love being barefoot in the mountains. I put on my Instagram yesterday, maybe I was a mountain goat in a past life because man, I'm just good at climbing up and down mountains. The cool air is so lovely. So I'm just walking back up the hill to Alt Life. Post yoga, bliss. Oh my gosh, I haven't practiced in like 3 days. It feels so nice to move my body. And the teacher was amazing. Really lovely, so I'm really happy I went. Yay! I'm gonna have a coffee, have a shower, and move house. Goodbye, beautiful hostel. Wow, I totally forgot how amazing this view is. It's even better than Alt Life. This view is so nice, and I forgot how actually lovely this hostel is. I'm really happy. The other place didn't have rooms, so I've come back here. Yay! Look at this view. The bird call everywhere here. So beautiful. So many birds. So much nature. Oh my gosh, if you can't tell, I am just so happy. While I'm walking, I was just thinking about how happy I am in nature, or like by the ocean, or by Ganga, like somewhere either in the mountains or by water. I'm absolutely content. Is there anywhere that you feel like your soul is so happy? You know, anywhere in the world in particular, or any surroundings or landscapes in particular? Let me know down below. Because it's time to go on a waterfall adventure, and I'm going solo because the other guys wanted to go a little bit later, so it's 1:15, and yeah, I'm staying in Upper Dharamkot, so I'm going to walk down to Bhagsunag, and then I think it's like maybe a half an hour walk to the waterfall, but I'll stop at a cafe along the way have a chai and map it out, see where I need to go. It's actually really nice to do a solo mission anyway. I love my solitude. As you know, it also means that I can just put in my headphones and listen to some super loud side chants. This is literally how you get down. All the way down this track that is like boulders. I think I passed a really cool message the other day, so I'm going to try find it for you guys. Life is too short to be normal, stay weird or die trying. No better way to live. Because let's be honest, who on earth wants to be normal anyway? And down a few more stairs. So I came to a cafe called, I think it's in Raku's place. I came here the other day and met my friend Grace, who I met in Rishikesh actually, and had chai with her. It's a really nice cafe. It is in Upper Bhagsunag, so if you are here, I really recommend this place. The food looks really good, and the coffee and chai is really good. Yeah, so I've just looked at the map and it's only like a 20-minute walk to the waterfall. So I'm going to sit and read. Currently, I'm reading this. I actually swapped it at the hostel that I was staying at, Life, so I've just started and it's really good and I've heard lots of stories about it already, so I'm going to sit and enjoy, and then I will go to the waterfall. Thought maybe I was going the wrong way, but then I just see a way to waterfall sign. There's also so many shops and tourists. It's really busy because it's summer holidays, so let's see if it's going to be nice and shanty and quiet and peaceful, or super busy, but you can actually see the waterfall from here. I'll show you in a second. Like all the way up there I'm walking. Okay, so it's pretty much stairs the whole way, one step at a time, and we'll make it. Okay, so I'm going to actually continue all the way up because there's like a really famous cafe called Shiva Cafe that I've heard so much about, and obviously I'm going to go because it's named Shiva Cafe. So I'm going to go there. Hopefully they have like a nice cold drink, like a lemon nana or a lemon juice.
सर पे तेरे वो गंगा मैया विराजे, मुकुट पे चंदा मामा वो जी। ओ मेरा भोला है भंडारी, करे नंदी की सवारी, शंभुनाथ रे वो शंकर नाथ रे।
I feel like I'm up so high now. There's a nice cool breeze, and yay, if you come to the Bhagsunag Waterfall, wow, it's so worth walking up to the Shiva Cafe. The energy up here is crazy. I feel like, wow, I have goosebumps. There's a waterfall behind me, so I'm going to go for a swim in a second. First I'm going to have a lemon nana to cool myself down, but yeah, wow, it's like little, wow, it's so nice up here. I think this is really the coolest cafe I've ever been to ever. Now I'm having a lemon nana. Also, I don't think I've ever told you what a lemon nana actually is. It's just like lemon, mint, a little bit of salt sometimes, a little bit of sugar and ice, and you blend it up and it is a lemon nana. It's so simple, so delicious, and when it's really, really hot it cools you down a lot and it's just like amazing. Why is this not all over the world? I don't know, but India has it sorted. Lemon nanas in like 30, 40 degree heat are fucking life. So behind the Shiva Cafe, if you walk down, there's a little set of stairs, and this is behind. Wow.
Shiva Kali, Shiva Kali, Amar Kali Kali, Shiva Shiva, Shiva Durga, Shiva Durga, Durga Durga, Shiva Shiva, Shiva Shiva Kali, Shiva Kali, Amar Kali Kali, Shiva Shiva Shiva.
Actually, in front of me, under this umbrella, is a monk. He's chilling. There really is no words for these kind of places and experiences, you know. You can really only experience them firsthand. Like, wow, this place is magic. Full power. And feel really blessed. So blessed. I can nearly think I was like coming to tears when I was up at the Shiva Cafe before. There's people, goats, monks, donkeys, nature at its finest. And although it's very busy because it's like summer and everyone's on holiday, or it's like so many local tourists, it doesn't feel really busy because there's so many little pools. So yeah, I reckon come all the way up and there's less people swimming because obviously less people want to come this high. And I'm just going to hang out, I think. I'll hang out, listen to some music for a while, maybe go for a swim, but the breeze is kind of nice up here. And I have been unwell, that water looks really chilly. And enjoy just being here. Wow. I really am honestly having one of those like holy fucking shit, what a blessing it is to be alive moments. Like wow, I am so grateful. Om Namah Shivaya.
Shiva Kali, Amar Kali Kali, Shiva 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 Durga, Shiva Durga, Durga Durga, Shiva Shiva.
Mountain goats are seriously my new favourite. I really feel as though I connect with them on a soul level. So cute. And as I walk down, I literally feel like I'm coming out of a different dimension. This bubble up here was very nice. Ah, what a lovely way to spend the day. I mean, what a lovely way to spend the afternoon. I also have a question for you. Can you pet mountain goats? I don't know. I'm tempted. I got a couple to come really close to me and they were following me for a little bit, but I was too nervous to pet it in case it started headbutting with its little horns. I was walking back down from Upper Bhagsunag because I was so tired to walk all the way directly up the hill, and then I met these guys that I met at the waterfall. What's your name?
Hey guys, I'm Ishan.
Hey guys, I'm Raghav.
And
Hola, Prince here.
Hey guys, I'm Raghav too.
And then we're waiting in traffic, and then they also got watermelon. Wow!
Yay.
So happy. How did you enjoy the waterfall?
It was so good, man. I smoked weed over there. Is it fine?
Yes, of course.
Yeah, perfect.
How did you enjoy the Shiva Cafe?
They're so peaceful.
I've been there like for the very first time, and I met Kate over there. She makes really good videos, and everything is going good right now. Yeah.
Nice. Did you enjoy the waterfall? And
I was sitting over there and it was so peaceful. I always stoned, you know. So I was like without even smoking, you know.
Yeah, yeah.
So
Me
I was
too.
just, yeah. So I was just sitting over, you know, over there and just was enjoying the, you know, atmosphere and.
Lovely.
It's my second time.
It's your second time?
Yeah.
Wow.
I've been there like in 2015. I enjoyed. I also visited Shiva Cafe at that time also.
Yeah, you're like
It's
the
a
tour
lovely
guide
place.
now. Yeah, and I'm so happy to be getting a ride. Shout out for your amazing driving and parking skills. You got us here safe.
Thank you. We just met Kate over here, and she's guiding us through Dharamshala and all those cafes. She says that there's a lot more things to enjoy here, and I hope so. We'll enjoy together.
Okay, after a lovely car ride back up the hill and meeting that lovely bunch of guys, I am going to retire for the evening because I'm so tired. I've got so much sun today, and so I'm going to end the vlog. If you like this video, then give it a big thumbs up, subscribe to my channel if you're new here so you can follow my journey, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye!
ओ गोरा भांग रगड़ के बोली तेरे साथ है भूतों की टोली मेरे नाथ ओ शंकर नाथ